If you love high-end home decor but not high-end prices, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 3 brand new Dollar Tree planter DIYs that look designer, modern, and high-end. And the best part? They are extremely easy and require absolutely no painting. My name is Nora G and welcome to my Nook. These are quick, budget-friendly planter transformations using simple Dollar Tree finds, perfect for your home. No complicated steps, no fancy tools, just easy DIYs that instantly elevate your space. So, if you loved part 1, this is part 2, and I'm keeping it extremely simple. So grab your glue gun, hit that like button, as well as the subscribe button if you're new here, and let's turn affordable finds into high-end home decor you will actually want to display. DIY number 1 is so easy. I'm convinced you could do it with your eyes closed. And it's giving high-end planter on a budget. For this Dollar Tree planter DIY, I started with 2 repute stone look planters from Dollar Tree. These are honestly such a hidden gem because they already come with this beautiful textured stone-like finish, and they're available in multiple colors. I chose the ivory one because it fits perfectly with my neutral, cozy home decor style. But feel free to pick whatever color works best for your space. Now here's where the magic happens. I flipped both planters upside down and glued them together in opposite directions to create height and dimension. I used Gorilla Glue, like I just showed you, for strength, and a little hot glue for instant hold. This combo is my go-to when I want something sturdy and long-lasting. Once that was set, I could have stopped right there, like as you can see. So I just had that pressed down, but you know me, my extra self had other plans, okay? So that looked good by itself, but I didn't want it to be just plain, you know? So I grabbed this wooden bead garland from Dollar Tree and wrapped it around the middle of the planter where the 2 pieces meet. I did this using hot glue. You could also use any other stronger adhesive of your choosing. Note here that this step is totally optional, but it adds such a beautiful elevated detail and really gives it that designer inspired look. You feel me? And that's it, guys. Seriously, that's it. In just 2 easy steps, you've turned basic Dollar Tree planters into a tall, elevated planter that looks like it came from a high-end home decor store. I chose not to paint mine because I loved the original finish, but you can absolutely paint it any color you want. Matte black, warm beige, terracotta, even a soft white. The possibilities are endless. To finish it off, I started mine with a mix of faux florals and greenery, and look at this transformation, guys. Simple, budget-friendly, and so high-end. If you're loving this extremely easy Dollar Tree planter DIY so far, make sure you keep watching. Okay, so DIY number 2 is very similar to the first one, but honestly, Dollar Tree has been seriously upping their planter game lately, and I'm here for it. For this Dollar Tree planter DIY, I picked up 2 textured terracotta colored planters from Dollar Tree. First of all, can we talk about the finish, guys? I love that these aren't smooth, okay? They have this beautiful textured look that already feels elevated and designer inspired. And just like most Dollar Tree planters, these also come in different colors, which makes them perfect for any home decor style. I went with the terracotta tone because it fits really well with my warm, natural, and neutral aesthetic. Just like DIY number 1, I flipped both planters upside down and glued them together in opposite directions to add height using Gorilla Glue for strength and hot glue for instant hold. You already know this. Now, technically, again, you could stop right here, but of course, I had to add a little extra. I grabbed the same wooden bead garland from Dollar Tree I used in DIY number 1 and glued it around the middle where the 2 planters meet, just like with DIY number 1. This adds such a nice decorative detail and gives the planter that high-end custom look. And that's it, guys. Seriously, I just wanted something that would tie in with DIY number 1 so I can actually use them together but also separately. Once again, in just 2 easy steps, you've created a tall, elevated planter that looks way more expensive than it actually is. I chose not to paint mine because, of course, you already know I really love the original finish, but you can absolutely paint it any color you want. Matte black, beige, white, or even a soft muted green would look amazing. One thing I love about this technique is that you can use it with just about any Dollar Tree planter, especially since the single planters tend to be a little too short for my liking on their own. This instantly fixes that. I started this one with some simple greenery to keep it clean and modern, and honestly, it looks like something you'd find in a high-end home decor store. Well, if you're enjoying this extremely easy Dollar Tree planters DIYs, keep watching. Okay, so for our final project, DIY number 3 is all about versatility and styling options. And this one might actually be my favorite because there is no right or wrong way to do it. For this Dollar Tree planter DIY, I used the same Dollar Tree planters from DIY number 1 and 2, but instead of committing to just one look, I wanted to show you how this design works flipped either way. You can go tall and dramatic or slightly shorter and wider depending on your space. And that's what makes this one so good. Just like the other DIYs, I started by flipping the planters upside down and gluing them together in opposite directions using Gorilla Glue for strength and hot glue for instant hold. That simple flip and glue technique instantly creates an elevated planter that looks modern and high-end without any complicated steps. What I love about this version is that you can mix and match the orientation. You can place the textured terracotta planter on top for a warmer, bolder look, or flip it so the lighter planter is on top for a softer, more neutral vibe. Both ways work beautifully, and it honestly feels like 2 different planters in one. This time, I kept things a little more clean and minimal. No extra embellishments here, just letting the texture and shape do all the work. But of course, if you want to add wooden beads or another decorative detail, you already know that's always an option, okay? So I chose not to paint these because Dollar Tree really need the finish on these planters, guys. But you can absolutely customize them with paint if that's more your style. I started this with a mix of greenery and soft florals to show how versatile they are, and whether you place them together as a pair or separately around your home, they instantly elevate the space. This is proof that with a little creativity, Dollar Tree planters can look high-end, modern and designer-inspired, and all with just a few easy steps. And just like that, we turned simple Dollar Tree planters into high-end designer-inspired home decor using the easiest DIY methods ever. No complicated steps, no fancy tools, just budget-friendly transformations that actually work. Let me know in the comments which planter was your favorite, DIY 1, 2, or 3. If you enjoyed these extremely easy Dollar Tree planter DIYs, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button for more budget home decor ideas, Dollar Tree DIYs, and high-end looks for less. That's it for part 2, and if you want a part 3, you already know what to do. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.